In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in Wrike. If you're ready to clean up your Wrike workspace by removing unnecessary spaces, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your Wrike account. Head over to wrike.com and in the top right corner of the page, you'll find the login button. Click on it and enter your email credentials to access your work environment. Once you're logged in, you should see your personalized dashboard, showcasing your projects, tasks, and importantly, the sidebar. Next, in the sidebar, you'll want to navigate to the specific space that you are planning to delete. The sidebar is usually structured to display all your spaces clearly, making it easy to locate the one you're looking for. Once you've found the relevant space, you're ready for the next step. When you're in the space you wish to delete, take a look near its title. You'll notice a three-dot menu button. This is a key feature often referred to as the More Options button or ellipsis menu. Click on this button to open up a menu with several options. Among these options, find and select Delete Space. This action tells Wrike that you intend to remove this space completely from your account. It's a significant step, so make sure you're prepared to proceed with deleting all of the elements encompassed within this space. Following that, a pop-up prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the space. This pop-up acts as a safeguard, ensuring you fully intend to remove the space, as this can't be undone in terms of restoring the original structure. Go ahead and click Delete within this confirmation window to finalize the process. One critical detail to keep in mind is that if any items within this space have been cross-tagged to other spaces, they won't entirely disappear. Instead, these cross-tagged items will remain visible in the other spaces they're associated with and won't be moved to the recycle bin. This feature allows for some continuity in your projects and documents that span multiple spaces, so you don't lose vital information. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process for deleting an unwanted space in Wrike. Remember these steps should you need to tidy up your workspace again in the future. By managing and organizing your spaces efficiently, you can maintain a streamlined and effective work environment. I hope this tutorial was helpful and gives you the confidence to handle your Wrike spaces with ease. Thanks for watching.